In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to hard reset a Motorola Moto G Pure smartphone. Okay, the first thing you need to do is to fully power the phone off. To fully power the phone off, press and hold down the power button. Power off. Okay, with the phone fully powered off, you need to press and hold down the power button and the volume down button at the same time until you see a screen appear, and then you will do the following. Okay? Okay, now let go. Using the volume down button, go to recovery mode. Now press the power button. Okay, the next thing you need to do is to press and hold down the power button and then tap the volume up button. Let go. Okay, now the next thing you need to do, using the volume down button, go to Wipe Data Factory Reset. Press the power button. Using the volume down button, go to Factory Data Reset. Press the power button. Press the power button.
Hello, Moto.
And there you go. The hard reset is now complete. So I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please show your support for this channel by subscribing. Feel free to leave comments. Please like up this video. Thank you for tuning in.